In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to recover deleted items in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva, and you'll either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Next, you want to locate the left-hand navigation of options, and from here you want to click on the open menu icon, and when you do that you will see bin at the very bottom next to your profile icon. So click on bin, and once you've clicked on bin you will see all of your deleted designs. And to recover a design, hover over the design, click on the checkbox, and at the bottom of the screen you'll see the design selected, and you'll have an option to restore it or permanently delete it from the bin. So you want to click on restore, and it'll say restoring items. And now when you click on home, you will be able to access the design once again. So it's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you find yourself struggling or having any issues, please feel free to drop a comment below.